children, how are you all? I think everybody is fine. So now we are coming to the end of our session, and this is which class? This is our mathematics class. So in this mathematics class now we are left with only two more chapters. What is that? Shapes and patterns and data handling. Okay. So today we are going to learn about shapes and pattern. So which book we are following? We are following book number 8. Okay. And the name of the chapter number is 11. So in this shapes and patterns, the main thing first we should know what is shape. Shape means each and everything that we see around us, everything is having a particular figure. The figure that can be a regular shape or can be an irregular shape, but still it is having a shape. But like liquid and gases, they don't have any shape. So whenever they enter any container or any place, they take the shape of that thing. But all the solid objects, they are having a particular shape. Suppose a stone. Stone does not have any perfect shape, but still an irregular, but still it is a shape. Our body, we are also having a shape. Similarly, various objects, whatever objects you see around you, like suppose a blackboard, it is having a shape. Then a coin, it is also having a shape. So all the things, okay, everything around us is having shapes. So there are various types of shapes, we will learn about them. But before that, we have to learn that all the shapes are made by drawing lines. Okay. So suppose I will make a rectangle, then I will draw 4 lines, then only I can make a rectangle. Okay. So for that we should know about the lines first, then only we can draw various types of shapes. So first of all is point. Point is nothing, just a dot. So if you put a dot, then this is a point. Okay. Now comes line segment. So what is line segment? It is the shortest distance between 2 points. So suppose this is a point and this is a point. So any distance, it can be like this, it can be like this. I can go in this way and come here. These are various types of way we can reach the other point, but the shortest distance is just a straight line. So this straight line is the line segment, and we write it as, suppose this point is A and this point is B, then when we write it, we write the line segment as AB and above that one small line. Okay. Now comes line. So what is line? Line segment can be extended in both the directions. So this is a line segment, but here 2 stops points are there. That means the line segment cannot go beyond it. But suppose I will extend this line segment. This is A and B. I will extend it this side, I will again extend it this side, and I will give one arrow mark here and one arrow mark here. That means it can go this way, it also can be extended in this way. Then this becomes a line. Okay. So for that line we will be writing AB and we will draw a line above that 2 arrow marks. That means it shows that this is a line. Now comes ray. Ray is a line, but it can be extended only in one direction. So you know, when 2 points are joined, it becomes a line segment. So in a line I can extend it in both directions, but in a line segment ray I may extend it only in this direction. If I will extend it in this direction, so AB, that means I will write A, B and arrow mark in this direction. Suppose the same thing, okay, and it is extended in this direction, okay, the opposite one. So I will write from B to A. This line was ray was going from A to B, and this ray is going from B to A. So you will write B, A, arrow mark. Arrow mark will be always in the right side, but you will see the points and write. This is A, B arrow, this is B, A arrow. Okay. So in this way all the lines and points can be drawn. So we have learned about various types of shapes, how they are drawn by using lines. So now we will learn about the various types of shapes. So first I have drawn here 4 shapes. This is a circle, you know about this. This is a square, rectangle and triangle. Okay. A circle is having a center point, we know that. Square, it's all the 4 sides are same. Okay. And in rectangle the opposite sides are same. All these figures are plane shapes, or we can say 2-dimensional shapes. Plane shape means, suppose this is a circle, it is only having here one side and one circle. This is a rectangle, the paper is rectangular shape. So it is having here one side, 2 side, 3 side and 4 side. We cannot make it stand, okay, it will fall down. So this is a plane surface, plane shape. So this type of shapes are called 2D shapes or 2-dimensional shapes. So, in this type of shapes, what we have generally sides and corners. So, these sides, and when the two sides join, that point is called a corner. So, in circle there is no side and no corner, but in a square there are 4 sides and 1, 2, 3, 4 corners. Similarly, in rectangle 4 sides and 4 corners, and in a triangle 1, 2, 3 sides and 1, 2, 3 corners. Okay. Now, let us learn about some other type of shapes, that is known as the solid shapes or 3-dimensional shapes. Those shapes we can make stand, we can make them stand, they are not plane surface. Okay. So, suppose this duster, it is a solid shape, I can make it stand in this way. Okay. And it is having 3 dimensions. Okay. So, this type of shapes are called solid. So, this is the shape, if this is a circle, is a plane shape, its 3D shape is a sphere. Then this is a cube, this is a cuboid, this is a, what is this? This is a cone, and this is a cylinder. Okay. So, this shape is similar to this cuboid. Okay. So, in this also there are various things we have to learn, that is they are having edges. Edges means this part, these parts are called edges, and then they are having vertices where they meet, the 3 lines where meet, that is called vertices, and they are also having faces. So, let us see, in a circle there is no edge and no vertices, only one face is there, that is called a curved face. Okay. Now, in a cube there are how many? 12 edges. So, see, if you count it, you can see there are 12 edges, 8 vertices and 6 faces. Cuboid is also having 12 edges, 8 vertices and 6 faces. Now, come to a cube. In a cube there are how many edges? Only one edge. And how many vertices? One vertex. And how many faces? 2 faces. One is the, this one is the curved face, another one is the flat face. So, 2 faces. Now comes the cylinder. In a cylinder there are 2 edges, there are no vertices because the points do not join, and there are 3 faces. How 3 faces? This is one flat face, this is another flat face. So, 2 faces and one is curved face. So, 3 faces. So, there are 3 faces. Okay. So, now shapes are over. So, now we will be learning about patterns. Okay. So, patterns means in a systematic way, in a rhythm, anything in a rhythm, we can say it as a pattern. For example, you have seen sea waves, how do they come? They come in a pattern, this way, this way, this way, this way it comes. Okay. So, everything in this world is having a pattern. Okay. So, let us learn some of these patterns in the form of shapes and numbers. Okay. See here, I have done some patterns in shapes. This is a triangle, you know, this is a circle and this is a square. Again a triangle, again a circle. Then what will the next one be? See, triangle, circle, square, triangle, circle, that means we will write here a, draw here a square. So, this is a pattern. Okay. Similarly, star, rectangle, star, then comes what? Rectangle. This is a triangle upside, this is a triangle downside. Again a triangle upside, then next one will be a triangle downside. See, here something interesting. This is a toffee, there are 2 ice creams. Again a toffee, then again how many ice creams? 2 ice creams. This is also a pattern. Now comes pattern in numbers. Okay, this is the main thing that we need to learn. That is, suppose whenever we learn the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, you know. So, if it is 1, 2, 3, 4, that means it will come 5, 6, 7, 8, dot, 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 anything. So, it is a pattern. Pattern means after 1, there is no gap, we will write the next number. Again 2, there is no gap, again the next number. So, this is a pattern. In this you see what it is written, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3. That means one number is repeated twice. So, this here we will be writing 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 7, 7. So, this is a pattern. Now, suppose 2, 4, 6, 8. That means 2 we are writing, 3 we are leaving. Again 4 we are writing. Again 5 we are leaving, 6 we are writing. 7 we are leaving, 8 we are writing. That means this is the table of 2. So, after 8 what can we write? Again we will leave 9, then we will write 10, then we will leave 11, then we will write 12. Similarly, this one you see 4, 8, 12, 16. Means after 4 how many numbers I am leaving? 5, 6, 7. 3 numbers I am leaving and I will write 8. Again after 8 you leave 3 numbers, 9, 10, 11, see, that is 12. Again after 12 you leave 3 numbers, 13, 14, 15, you leave it, you will write 16. So, this is the pattern of table 4. So, after 16 if you leave 3 numbers, 17, 18, 19. You will not write. What you will write? 20. Again, if you leave 3 number, 21, 22, 23, you will not write. You will write 24. So, these are the patterns. So, in this way, we can write the patterns in numbers and shapes. So, whatever is there in this chapter, I will give you everything. I will give you the photocopy of all these worksheets and whatever is there in the copy. You will be writing all those things, okay, through what? WhatsApp, okay. Till then, go through the video, try to understand it, okay. Bye bye children.